Hi, I'm Tiekka, and this is Everyday Ballet, where we bring ballet principles to everyday life. Now, you don't need a dancer's body or to know anything about ballet. I am here to show you everything. Today, we are going to do some neck and posture stretches to help alleviate some of the tension that comes with the way we're always hunched over our technology. So I'm so delighted you're here. Let's begin. In this stretch, we're going to relieve tension in the sides of the neck. So taking your toes forward, you're going to hug in that lower core and lightly ascend through the spine. And then you're going to take your arms out. Now right here, you're going to take one hand and you're going to reach over to the opposite temple. And you don't have to go too far. If that's not good, you can just touch the top of your head. But however far you go, try to keep that good posture. Now from right here, breathe in. And as you exhale, just gently let the head fold over. Now right here, just breathe in and exhale. And now we flex the hand, breathe in and exhale. And now let's lift the wrist, we take it up. And then as we come down, we flex the hand and exhale, and you'll feel a nice stretch on the side of the neck. And then once again, taking the arm up and exhale, brushing the hand down. Good. And now we're going to take that arm out and we're going to turn the chin, and you'll take the back of your head, just the top here. And right here, you're just going to breathe in and then let the chin fold, let the hand be heavy. And this will get the back of the neck a little bit right here. And once again, you're going to take that wrist up to the top corner. And as you exhale, just brushing the palm along that opposite wall. And one more time, lifting up. And exhaling to bring it down. And gently release the head and bring the chin forward. And of course, we have to do the other side. So bringing the arms up, we're going to start eyes facing forward, taking the hand across towards the temple, breathing in. And as you exhale, try to release the neck, reach out through those opposite fingers, let the hand be heavy. And then again, breathing in and exhaling and breathing and exhaling. And now we lift those fingers and wrist up. And as we exhale, flex the palm and bring it down. And once again, up and down. And a final time, up and down. Just really enjoying the stretch in the side of the neck. Now we're going to take those fingers out to the side once again, and now you're going to turn your chin down, and you're going to grab towards the back of the head and gently breathing in. And as you exhale, let that top hand be heavy, just let the head and neck fold. And reaching out, and exhale, and reaching out, and exhale. And now the same thing, we're going to lift that wrist, and exhale, flex the palm and bring it down. Just feeling kind of the side and the back of the neck here. Breathing in, lift it up. And exhale, bring it down. And last one, bring it up. And exhale, bring it down. And very gently release the pressure, lift the chin and turn it towards the front. So hopefully you're feeling a nice stretch along the sides and the side back of the neck. This will really help to undo that tension that we get from using our technology all the time. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. I look forward to next time. Until then, happy dancing.